Hello from the Dugas Copy TV studio in Geneva. I'm Daniel Schwenger. Alongside me to discuss data encryption and data safety in day-to-day communication is Jean Comeau. He's president and CTO of Securecom Mobile. Jean, welcome to the studio.
Thank you, Daniel. Good to be with you.
You are currently in Geneva as part of a roadshow sponsored by the Canadian Stock Exchange. You have been traded on the stocks, on the stock market since the beginning of August. Your company, Securecom Mobile, what is it about? What are the products about? What do you offer to customers?
Securecom Mobile is about keeping your private communications private.
All right. So how do you do that?
We use encryption technology, and it is an open source suite of applications for your mobile phones and in the future for your desktop computers as well.
Okay, so what kind of technology do you use? What is that encryption technology about, and maybe what is the advantage to other competitors in the market?
We use modern cryptography. We choose the best of breed components, algorithms, and protocols. And the real distinguishing factor is that we use an open source development model and release all of our software under a free and open source license, the GPL, the same as Linux.
So what is the advantage of using an open source approach in your business model?
It gives you, the user, the ability to verify that what we claim to do, we actually do. And it gives you the recourse to undo any changes we make that don't serve your interests.
And is it secure, and how can you guarantee the security of this communication?
Well, no company can guarantee the security of any piece of software. Software is complicated, and it's possible that there are bugs, but it is, to the best of our knowledge, secure. And we're careful, and we do everything we can to be conservative and defensive. And if we do find any vulnerability in it, we will address it as quickly as possible and notify the users that they need to install an update to fix it.
Okay, it's not possible that any secret service gets a backdoor to this application and to this program code?
Well, being open source makes that a lot more difficult. Every change that we make is published on the web, so anyone can review exactly why we made certain changes. Also, you can download the source code yourself and compile it, so you don't have to trust that the ready-to-install program that we're distributing is trustworthy.
So you are really offering this service for smartphones, for tablets, also for desktop devices. So how big is your market currently, and what are your perspectives?
Well, we run right now on Android phones and tablets. We also run on BlackBerry 10 phones. Soon we will be running on Apple phones and tablets. The combined size of those devices out there now is, I believe, 1.5 to 2 billion devices. So that's a pretty sizable possible user base we could acquire.
So, and the idea for your company now, as it has gone public, is to drive on this growth and to become larger in several markets, right?
Yes, a communication tool is only as valuable as it has users you can reach through it. So our current focus is developing the software for all major computing platforms and growing our user base.
Okay, so it is publicly traded. Which stock markets is it traded on? What's the stock symbol, and where can interested find more information about your company?
We're on the CSE. Our symbol there is SCE. We are also on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, where you can find us under S6U. You can also find out more about our company at our website, www.securecommobile.com.
Jean Comeau, President and CTO of Securecom Mobile, thanks for your visit in our studio today.
Well, thanks so much for having me, Daniel.
And thank you for watching. Do make sure to keep clicking back on the Dukascopy TV website for latest updates and exclusive interviews. Have a great day and see you next time.